Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your website performance with GoDaddy, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to your product dashboard. Locate the section for your website hosting. Click on Manage next to the hosting plan you want to upgrade. In the hosting management screen, find the Settings option. Select Performance from the Settings menu. Review the current performance metrics displayed. Evaluate areas where improvements can be made. Consider upgrading your server resources, such as CPU and RAM. If necessary, select the option to upgrade your plan. Follow the prompts to choose the upgraded plan that fits your needs. Confirm the changes to your hosting plan. Next, explore the caching options available. GoDaddy often offers built-in caching features. Enable caching to enhance your website speed significantly. Next, enable a Content Delivery Network, or CDN. A CDN helps deliver your site content more efficiently worldwide. Check the file sizes of images and other media on your website. Optimize large images using tools like Smush or TinyPNG. Conduct a website speed test using tools such as Geekmetrics or Google PageSpeed Insights. Take note of any actionable recommendations provided. Incorporate suggested optimizations into your site. Create a backup of your website before making major changes. Consider updating your website's themes and plugins. Ensure all components of your site are current. By maintaining updated software, you improve security and performance. Once all changes are made, retest your website speed. Monitor the performance consistently over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.